welcome everyone. It's Nelson from Archwick. Today we're going to talk about one of two of our new silencers for Airsoft. And we have the RBS9 direct mount version here. And we'll also in another video talk about the Impulse OLS. So as you can see, we have a QR code here. So if you scan this to your phone, it will go to our YouTube page and just find the appropriate video. They'll give you the instructions for this. It'll say B&T obviously, and then B&T AG Switzerland, the model, and the model number. So this whole thing, it's a pretty big can. We have the specs on the website. You can go check it out. It comes in direct thread, so this is a 14 negative thread. So the real version has all these holes here for venting use. Airsoft use is perfect for us because it allows the light to come through. So I'm going to go ahead and twist the cap off, and then directly beneath it you'll find this little cup. This is actually a retainer for your tracer device. Then over here, if you reach down, there'll be a little parts pack. You're going to find 3 O-rings and this acrylic disc. So basically, there's nothing inside the tube. There is a step built in, and then basically this is designed for you to house a tracer unit. With this, it's an Aztec blaster. So we just have the module directly, and you could have any other one that you wish, as long as it's 30 millimeters diameter. And some of these are longer than others. So for the blaster, we actually need to remove the end cap and then obviously turn it on when you need it on. So this O-ring, this thick, bigger one, slides inside here. And basically your tracer sits on top of it. And this whole thing just slides inside like so. And then this disc basically helps you diffuse the light so that it just sits inside of the cap like so. And it will allow the light to transfer from the tip of the tracer basically to the end of this. So this thin O-ring, okay, you could put it in one of two places. You could put it on the lid right here, or you could put it on the bottom right here. And the reason to do that is some of you would like to align the letters to a certain position, so that gives you kind of a bit of a gap to center it, to position the tracer unit or the false suppressor the way you like. And if you have a tracer unit that happens to be very tight, you might want to have this O-ring to give it a little bit of extra space. So I'm just going to put it here for the sake of this video. I'm just going to angle it slightly, and then I'm going to go ahead and twist. So I have one of our APC 9Ks here, and we have already swapped over the thread adapter to the 14 neg version. And the little O-ring that we include in the kit will sit in this valley right here. So I'm just going to go slide this in and install this O-ring. So we're going to go ahead and thread this on. As we thread it, I'm actually turning it counterclockwise. And then basically that O-ring will help you keep the silencer in place. I'm going to push this as far away from me as possible, right to the end there. So this false suppressor it fits really well with the APC 9K. It's just a little bit wider than the actual receiver, as you can see here. All right. So for those of you that would like to extend your inner barrel, you could actually take it right up to the tip of the tracer unit, and it adds a good 20 centimeters to the length of the barrel, which also would help you gain some velocity for those of you in places that are allowed to run your airsoft guns at a higher velocity. So there you go. Thanks for watching.